Looking for a new breakfast idea that's both delicious and nutritious? Your search ends here. Today, we're making the perfect cherry salsa breakfast burrito. Imagine biting into crispy bacon, fluffy scrambled eggs, and a ripe avocado, all wrapped in a warm tortilla. But the real game changer here? Bay Farms Cherry Salsa, adding a sweet and spicy twist that takes this burrito from good to extraordinary. This delightful mix of sweet, spicy, and savory flavors will surely kickstart your day. So, are you ready to get started? The first step is to cook the bacon until it's perfectly crispy. Now that our bacon is ready, we move on to scrambling our eggs in the same pan. This not only saves time but also adds a wonderful flavor to the eggs. The key here is to keep stirring gently, incorporating the rich bacon drippings until your eggs are light, fluffy, and cooked just to your liking. Next, let's turn our attention to the tortillas. They need to be warmed in a dry skillet, just enough to make them pliable and to bring out their earthy flavor. And now, the moment of assembly has arrived. Lay your warmed tortilla on a flat surface. Spread the scrambled eggs and crispy bacon evenly over the tortilla. Then, slice up some creamy avocado and layer it on top. But we're not done yet. The piece de resistance is our Bay Farms Cherry Salsa. Drape it generously over the ingredients. And there you have it, a delicious cherry salsa breakfast burrito. Now all that's left is to roll it up and enjoy. We're almost there. Now comes the most rewarding part, rolling up your burrito and taking that first bite. Here's a quick tip on how to roll your burrito. Fold in the sides, hold them in place, then roll from the bottom up. This technique keeps all the tasty goodness inside. Don't wait too long, enjoy it while it's still warm, and let the flavors explode in your mouth. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious cherry salsa breakfast burrito, perfect for starting your day with a flavorful kick. Enjoy!